another precious of the life. And don't get up, don't get up, I'm gonna die. But now we need them full style, full vibe. When the bills and the rent and the bomb with you. When me try to listen when your best friend come on and need someone to you. Like the watch the blood on the moon. Scan can see. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rap with me. You know feel alright, the music's sweet, yeah. But everybody wanna feel like. Forget your troubles and rap with me. You know feel alright, the music's sweet, yeah. For every pain there's a melody. Yeah, for every trouble there's a harmony. Brings everything together. So make us sing together. And who said life now? When every man got his struggle, yeah, begging the head. Overcome my troubles, yeah, get sweet. Everybody wanna feel like. Forget the troubles and rock with me. When you don't feel like the music's sweet, sweet. When everybody wanna feel like real. Forget the troubles and rock with me. When you don't feel like the music. Oh, oh, oh. Skanking in the morning, don't know. Until the day when my troubles go. And then I go in a chat and they tell them. When everybody wanna feel like. Forget the troubles and rock with me. Music sweet. Everybody wanna feel like me. Forget the troubles and rock with me. Music sweet. Yes, it's sweet. Everybody wanna feel like me. Forget the troubles. Forget the troubles. Rock with me. Forget the troubles and rock with I heard. Peace.
Did you make out the decision? it's loading. Yeah, that's it.
Babylon split the atom and reach the bottomless pit. You never hear that on television or on Netflix though. Never really been a capture, and I know. I have been mercy. Oh, stay with God. Queen from England, now she come well and grandmother. Century for the person, full of the vibration. For 30 years without the vibration. Now the money kill with that station. And I'm gonna make you please them to the motherland. Carry me go. Go home, you go.
You can go around like you usually do, no problem.
I'm not gonna be on the video.
I'm saying I can move the camera. You can go, you can do whatever you usually do. That way we can keep our regular flow. Yeah, so I can go under there, yeah. We do our regular flow, yeah.